Okay. We back again. We back. We got this. It's the beginning. This is one coat. I just hit it with a little paint. Get this leaf out of here. So this one coat. We're gonna hit it with another coat. Then we're gonna flip it over. So still good. Then we got this one. We got this the other one over here. Driver's side. I'm wet sanding it. Get all the old clear off. Make sure it's smooth before I put a coat of paint on it. So I'm just getting it back just as factory. So most of the factory it is all they doing to give you the same thing. They just clean them up, hit them with a fresh coat of paint, wrap them up, send them to you. So we saving money. We spent what? I say with everything, $13, $15. And then you buy two of these, it'll be about what? About probably 50. So you save you some money. So just a little work. Work don't kill. So you see the results. Black Panther is getting beautified. So just a little beautification we doing right now. So we have more coming for Black Panther. You still ain't see Black Panther yet, but it's just gonna show you little parts as we go on of the build, as we complete it. As we complete it, you'll see more of the car. So hop into, that custom car lifestyle. You stay in tune with your boy G Slim. G and Slim, we're gonna get this thing right. So, that's it is.